Sup guys, here we are in a new video. On this video I'm gonna show you 5 ranking editing mistakes YouTubers make and how to fix them. Let's get into it. When you keep making these same mistakes, people won't be watching your video. Even if they click on your video, they won't watch it till end. The first thing is intro. Channel intro or video introduction. A video introduction is a piece of image or video that covers all what the channel is all about. For example, if you are making some cooking recipes, your intro have to be about cooking. If you are doing tech, your intro have to be about technology. So right now we are going to take a look at my 2 introductions, my channel introduction. Let's get into it. And that's an introduction for a video. But the problem here is that some YouTubers are overusing it. Some introduction will be like 15 seconds, 10 seconds, and people will be tired, so they will quit your video because YouTube will show them another videos related to your video. So instead of watching that intro till end, they will quit your video to watch another video related to your content. And that's a very bad thing. A video introduction doesn't supposed to be more than 6 seconds because people don't have time to waste watching your introduction. So in that case, make sure you're having a very short introduction. The second editing mistake is using the wrong music track. Make sure you use the right song. Music is the biggest influence in creating the feeling of your video. When I say feeling, I mean the quality of the emotional experience created by the content. And the best way to ruin that quality is by choosing the wrong music. Everything kind of falls apart. It feels awkward, clumsy, and unprocessed. So carefully choose the right song for your video and make sure you avoid copyrights. The third thing is transitions. You must make your videos exciting by using the right transitions. Instead of image popping up on your screen, you can use a transition, a slide transition, a wipe transition, or something like that. It will be much better, I promise. When using a transition, make sure you have a sound effect for that if necessary. The fourth mistake that YouTubers make is pacing. And we are talking about jump cuts here. People think after cutting out the silence or mistakes in between your clip, that's all. Seriously, that's not all. You have a lot of work to do. So you have to do some pacing. Just listen to this. Here we are in a new video. On this video, we are going to talk about something, so let's get into it. And now watch this. Sup guys, here we are in a new video. On this video, we are going to talk about something, so let's get into it. So when you did not do some pacing, there will be silence in between your clips. But after doing some pacing, it will feel like you are continuously speaking without taking a break. And this is very simple. This is how to do it. After cutting, don't leave the little moment of silence in between. Make sure you trim your last syllable and your first syllable to begin at the same time. You can make some adjustments if it sounds or look unnatural. The last mistake is inconsistency in graphics. Even if you are not a graphic designer, you should have a little knowledge about graphic designing. And you should have a little knowledge about art. Maintain a consistency between the size, color, and font of your text. And as always, text creates distraction to your viewers, and that's what we want so that they will keep watching the video till end. And that's all the mistakes YouTubers make. I'll advise you to check if you make these mistakes. Make sure you fix them so that you can make your videos better. And that's all for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.